Hi, we deliver our professional cabinet design software PolyBoard with an extensive library of Blum hardware including popular drawer systems, lift systems, hinges and other specialist fittings. This hardware is pre-configured and supplied with the necessary placement rules ready to use. We'll take a look now at the Blum hardware library and see how to use them. If I go to the Libraries menu and choose Fittings, PolyBoard will open the Quick Design hardware libraries. In the Blum pack folder, we can see all the available hardware which can be placed automatically using a manufacturing method. Let's see how to do this. Here we have an example cabinet. If we look at a hardware list by clicking in the cutting list menu, we can see that at the moment it doesn't contain any specific hardware other than some standard nesting hardware, some door handles, screw and shelf bag holes. In the wireframe mode it becomes visually apparent on the current hardware. Let's add a set of Blum hardware as hinges, Movento drawer runners and the HKI lifting system. To do this, click on the Fitting Links icon and choose to set it up with Blum hardware. Then click OK and apply the method to the whole cabinet. Our project has been updated and recalculated to install this Blum configuration. In the wireframe view, we can see the machining details such as the hinges, the pilot holes for the drawer sliders, and the drillings for the HKI lift system. All hardware is also represented in 3D. The hardware list and prices have been automatically updated. So if I go back to view this, we can see all the Blum hardware added now, including the price of each. We regularly add the latest hardware to PolyBoard's Quick Design libraries, although you can also add any hardware configuration yourself. As you can see, it's very easy to use PolyBoard and Blum hardware together. Thanks for watching.